How you doing? Justin here. Guess what? You finished stage 3 and now this little video is just to talk about your stage 3 practice routine. So the first thing that we're going to have on your practice routine is between 3 and 5 minutes of your beginner's finger exercise, which is just doing that fingers 1, 2, 3, 4, working on the agility of your fingers, trying to get them a little bit more supple and a little bit more flexible. It'll help you out with your stretchy chords like your G and C. So that's first thing that I want you to do. It's a good warm up as well for your guitar playing. So that's thing number 1. Second thing on your practice routine then is working on your chords, doing the strum pick out strum. Trying to make sure that you've got your chords sounding really nice, that every note in the chords is really nice and clear. Fingers are up next to the frets, none of the open strings are muted. Very, very important that you get that stuff right now, especially as we're doing our 1-minute changes and we're working on the speed of our chords. We want the speed to increase, but we also want the quality of the chords to increase. That's why so far, every time you're practicing, you should be working on that, the strum pick out strum, which is your chord practice. Very important. Next thing on your list is your 1-minute chord changes. Now you should have 5 pairs of chords that you're working on for your 1-minute changes. I recommend that you stick to there's a little list that I've given you there on the website, which mainly incorporate your C chord and your G chord. As they're both kind of new chords, it's a good opportunity to work on getting from your old friend chords, the ones that are probably not too difficult now, and then really working them in with the big finger stretchy chords. That will be a great idea. Okay, you've also got your rhythm guitar. So introducing that first little up strum, getting used to the count, making sure you tap your foot, getting used to playing with a metronome, not stopping, just really working on it, trying to keep that rhythm really good and solid. Count along if you want with the 1, 2, 3 and 4, that would be a great thing. Now, the big deal with the rhythm guitar is repetition. So even though that's only one exercise and it's probably going to get a bit boring for you, what I really recommend is sitting there doing it over and over again, going 1, 2, 3 and 4, over and over again till you're bored. Because it really, what you're trying to get here is a motor skill, just having done it so much that it becomes instinctive. It's one of my 10 golden rules here for practicing, which is that the more you think, the more you stink. And in order not to think, you have to practice these things until they become instinctive. Very, very important. So plenty of rhythm guitar practice. You will then have 5 minutes to work on your songs or your chord sequences. So there's plenty of songs now that you can do with this many chords. So pick some of the songs that you like and work on those for 5 minutes. Because of course it's important to be playing songs. You know, that's kind of the point of playing guitar. It's not to do exercises, it's to play tunes. So make sure you spend a bit of your time working on songs. And last of all, if you're taking that as an option, you want to be working on your Justin training exercises, which is your ear training exercises. Now, that collectively works out to be about a half-an-hour practice routine, which might be quite a lot for some of you to be doing every day. If it is, break it into 2 15-minute sections and do one half one day and one half the next day. So that's kind of up to you depending on how much time you've got to spend practicing. But I'd say at this kind of stage, about 30 minutes a day is a great amount to practice. I don't mean every day. I'm thinking like 5, 6 days a week, that kind of thing. You're definitely allowed to have your 1 day off a week if you wish. You know, what is it? 1 day you're not supposed to work a week? I can't remember what that is traditionally. 2 days off a week? Really? Some people get 2 days off a week. Wow, wicked. Okay, nice for some. Anyway, get in, get practicing, really keep working. Don't forget to tick off your practice routine, because that's the thing that really helps keep you motivated, is ticking off the boxes when you've done your practice, writing in how many changes you got on your 1-minute changes. Keep yourself going, keep motivated, and when you've got through this and you feel comfy with your G and your C and your rhythm, I'll see you for stage 4. Take care of yourselves. Catch you soon.